Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the simplest and most powerful 1-minute chart pattern strategies that works without any indicator. This strategy is based purely on price action and repeating candle behavior that you can spot easily on any chart. If you are looking for a simple, beginner-friendly strategy that is easy to understand and easy to apply, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because the real power of this strategy is in its rules and discipline. Before we start, quickly smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. A quick but important disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose, and I highly recommend you master this on a demo account first before ever touching your real capital. Smart traders practice first. Now let's understand the logic behind this strategy. In this strategy, we do not use any indicator at all. Everything is based on candlestick patterns that appear again and again on the chart. If you observe the chart carefully, you will notice that markets move in short cycles. Many times, when 3 candles move strongly in one direction, the market takes a temporary reversal on the next candle. Here is the rule: if 3 bullish candles form one after another, then the 4th candle is likely to be bearish, and in this situation, we prepare for a sell trade. If 3 bearish candles form one after another, then the 4th candle is likely to be bullish, and in this situation, we prepare for a buy trade. This pattern is very simple, but discipline is extremely important. Sometimes, instead of 3 candles, you may see 4 candles moving in the same direction. So what should we do in this situation? The rule is very simple. If you take a trade on the 4th candle based on the 3-candle rule, and if that trade loses, then you take the same trade direction again on the 5th candle. This rule helps to handle extended moves and keeps the strategy structured instead of emotional. The candle time frame for this strategy is 1 minute, and the expiry time is also 1 minute. The best trading sessions for this strategy are European session and New York session, and very important. Avoid trading during major news releases, because news can break any technical pattern. To make this strategy even easier for you, I have created a free step-by-step checklist PDF explaining all these rules clearly. You don't need to memorize everything right now. You can download the PDF from my Telegram channel. The link is given below in the video description. Now that you understand the rules and logic clearly, let's move to the live chart and see how this strategy performs in real market conditions. Now let's understand this buy trade example step by step. As you can see on the chart, 3 bearish candlesticks have formed one after another. This is exactly what we look for in this strategy. When the market gives 3 continuous bearish candles, it often means that sellers are getting exhausted and a short-term reversal is likely to happen. According to our rules, when this pattern appears, we do not guess or rush. We wait patiently for the 4th candle, and that is where we prepare for a buy trade. So based on this clear 3 bearish candle structure, I have taken a buy trade on the 4th candle, following the rules strictly, without using any indicator and without any emotion. Now let's see how the trade starts to move. After entering the buy trade, you will notice that the price stops falling and begins to stabilize. This pause itself is an important sign because it shows that sellers are losing strength. Slowly, the candle starts moving upward, confirming that buyers are stepping into the market. Because this is a 1-minute time frame with a 1-minute expiry, small movements are normal, and trusting the strategy is more important than reacting emotionally. Now let's look at the final result. As you can clearly see, the candle closes in the buy direction, and the trade finishes in profit. Now let's continue with more live chart examples, so you can see how this strategy behaves in different market conditions. Now let me explain what is happening in this example. As you can see on the chart, 3 bullish candlesticks have formed clearly, and this pattern is visible on multiple pairs at the same time. According to our strategy rules, when 3 bearish candles appear, we expect a short-term bullish move on the next candle. So based on this structure, I have taken 2 sell trades at the same time, strictly following the same rules, without using any indicator and without guessing. At this point, the entry is completely rule-based, not emotional. After entering both sell trades, the most important thing to do is wait calmly. In 1-minute trading, price movement can be fast and sometimes confusing, but reacting too early usually leads to mistakes. So instead of closing trades early or changing decisions, we simply wait for the candle to complete, because our expiry is fixed at 1 minute. This waiting phase is where most traders fail. not because the strategy is bad, but because discipline breaks. Now let's look at the result. Here you can clearly see that one trade closes in profit and one trade closes in loss. And this is very important to understand. A strategy does not mean every trade will win. What matters is how we manage the next decision according to the rules. As per our strategy, if the trade loses, we are allowed to take the same direction trade again on the next candle, which becomes the fifth candle entry. So following the rules, I take a sell trade on the fifth candle where it is required. However, here I made a human mistake. I hastily took another sell trade on the GBPJPY pair, which was not required, because that pair had already given a winning trade earlier. This trade should have been skipped, but due to fast execution and lack of patience, I entered again. This is not a strategy issue. This is a discipline issue. Now let's see the final outcome. At the end, we won one trade and lost one trade, which happened because of overtrading. This example clearly shows that even a good strategy can fail if rules are not followed strictly. The strategy works, but discipline decides profitability. So this is how this 1-minute chart pattern strategy works in real market conditions. You have seen winning trades, losing trades, and even a human mistake, and that is exactly how real trading looks. The goal of this video is not to show perfection, but to show you how rules, patience, and discipline actually matter more than any indicator or setup. Always remember, no strategy wins 100% of the time. What makes the difference is how well you follow the rules and control your emotions. If you are serious about learning clean price action-based trading, make sure you practice this strategy on a demo account first, understand the behavior of the candles, and only then think about real trades. If this video helped you understand the strategy clearly, hit the like button, share it with someone who is learning trading, and subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies for more honest and educational content. And don't forget, I have shared a free step-by-step checklist PDF for this strategy. You can download it from my Telegram channel. The link is available in the video description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.